Welcome lovelies, it's Sunday and Sunday fun day because I have a fun box to show you. I can't wait to show you. Okay lovelies, so I have a wonderful a shipment in here from Dolcezza. They're scarves. Many of you own one or two or three, and they are work of art, right? In effect, they highlight artists and they take one of their paintings and then silk screen it on their scarves. I will start with this one. This one is called Joy, and I can't wait to see it out. Oh, yeah, beautiful. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. All my colors are in here. All the reds, the pinks, the cobalt blue, the fuchsia, the orange, it's all here. What is also very nice about Dolcezza is that it is it's not an super oversized scarf, which sometimes that is what you like. And it's a very gorgeous fabric, 100% viscose, made in Turkey, and absolutely wonderful. The other thing I want to point out to you is the presentation. It comes in this little box. It tells you the story of the artist, explanation about the work of art that they've used. This one is called Funny Bird. The artist is Chantal Poirier. It looks amazing. Let us see what it is. So I also was thinking Mother's Day is coming up, and wouldn't this be a lovely gift for a mom or a mother-in-law? Or oh, I like this too. Oh, very much. Oh, gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Oh my goodness, I absolutely love this. This is absolutely gorgeous. Look at the colors. Look at this. Beautiful. What I also wanted to tell you is that what we do is you can order online and give us the address where you want it shipped to if you are not close to your mom. Like a lot of us live all over this gorgeous, big, beautiful country and cannot always get together. So it's a lovely way of saying, I love you. This artist is Hilary Winfield, and the title of the piece of art is Dimension. So let's see what Dimension is all about. Oh yeah, fun. Oh, nice summer colors. Aqua, a lot of aqua and a lot of paleness, pale pastels, gorgeous. So here we are, the unveiling of the Dolcezza scarves. Now we have 3 new scarves to choose from. Enjoy your Sunday, lovelies. Keep on smiling.